Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have a game changer for all you home enthusiasts out there. The Dyson V11 Cordless Stick Vacuum in large, nickel, blue. If you're in the market for the best Dyson cordless vacuum, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right into what makes this vacuum stand out. The Dyson V11 is not just a vacuum. It's a powerhouse designed for whole home deep cleaning. This cordless wonder is equipped with some incredible features that will make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient than ever before. First off, it boasts 60% more power compared to its predecessor, the Dyson V8. That's some serious suction power. And with a remarkable 60 minutes of runtime, you can tackle even the most extensive cleaning tasks without interruptions. One of the standout features is the LCD screen, which displays power modes, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime down to the second. It's like having a vacuum with a built-in digital assistant, keeping you informed every step of the way. Speaking of power modes, the Dyson V11 offers 3 cleaning modes to cater to your specific needs. You'll always have the right amount of power for the job, whether you're cleaning hard floors, carpets, or upholstery. The motor bar cleaner head is designed to deep clean all floor types. It effortlessly tackles dirt and pet hair, and it even detangles wrapped long hair as you clean. Say goodbye to those annoying hair clogs. Need to clean your car, stairs, or upholstery? No problem. The Dyson V11 easily converts to a handheld vacuum, providing you with versatility for every cleaning scenario. The hair screw tool is a lifesaver for pet owners. It quickly sucks up long hair and pet hair, thanks to its anti-tangle conical brush bar. No more struggling to remove hair from pet beds, car seats, or stairs. Emptying the bin is a breeze with the Dyson V11. It features a hygienic ejection mechanism that drives out dust in a single action, keeping your hands clean and mess-free. And when it comes to charging and storage, Dyson has you covered. The vacuum conveniently drops into the wall-mounted dock, where it charges and tidily stores all the accessories. It's always ready for action when you are. Now, let's compare the Dyson V11 with some other Dyson models on the market. As you can see, the V11 offers 60% more suction power, 60 minutes of runtime, and a lightweight design, making it a top choice among Dyson cordless vacuums. In conclusion, the Dyson V11 Cordless Stick Vacuum in large, nickel, blue is a game-changer for your cleaning routine. With its exceptional power, versatility, and intelligent features, it's no wonder it's considered the best Dyson cordless vacuum in the market. If you've had any experience with the Dyson V11 or have questions about it, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!